Take a ride in the 2022 Camry Hybrid. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and a great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, backup camera. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.